Hello, everyone. Welcome back for another episode of the 3Rivers Market Report with Michael Vandergrift, your host, MCV Realty, coming to you today, April 10th, 2024. And the market is so hot, even an eclipse and spring break can't stop this. Up arrows, definitely one. Again, got a little more inventory on the market than we did last year, down from last week. Active available listings were down 3%. We've seen that's down again the second week in a row, showing how strong buyer demand is, but up 34% year over year. So we're up over last year. New listings came in up 17% week over week, up 3% year over year. Solds came in down 9% week over week, but up 9% year over year. And solds and new listings have been up and down since the first month of March, when we believe the selling season actually started. Pending listings came in up 27%. Week over week, up 75% year over year. So showing another sign of strong demand. Those are houses that are in contract or in escrow. Median sale price came in at $245,000, up 4% year over year, showing appreciation. Days on market slowed down a little bit, or sped up actually. The number went down, so it sped up a little bit to 28 average, 9 median, which is almost on par with last year, which at this time was 29 and 4. Homes sold over the last 12 months came in at 4,289 versus previous year 4,856. So we're down to slow down about 11.6%, which is dropping, and we believe it's going to hit 0 or lower by the end of the year. Have about 6.2 buyers per listing. So if you're looking to sell, it's definitely a good time. Still strong buyer demand out there, even though we did get bad news from the Fed. Numbers report from March showed inflation still there. We were looking at probably 3 to 5 rate cuts this year from the Fed, and we believe now they're at least going to stop that, or they could possibly raise depending on how April's numbers. But I always tell people, interest rates change. They're the cost of money. They're a short-term rate. A home is a long-term purchase, and rates can change over time. You could always refi, but one thing you could never do is renegotiate the price you paid for your home. So that's why they say buy and wait or buy and hold on real estate. That is your 3Rivers Market Report. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.